going on, y'all? It's your boy Nice, a Nice HVAC, N-I-C-E, HVAC. I'm gonna show you how to get paid. I'm gonna show you how to network. I'm gonna show you how HVAC open up the doors and allow me to collab with different artists. And I'm gonna show you how. Just stay tuned.
You can be a success at anything you put your mind to. Believing in self is the first step towards achieving all things you've ever conceived for yourself. The will to do the work it takes to mold and shape potential greatness, for resisting instant gratification, to embrace the path of focused patience, reveals our power to shape our fates, and shows us destiny's whatever we make it. In life, we can travel on many a course. There's more ways to make it than music and sports. This is a message and call to the youth, searching your heart to find your own truth. Happiness is the ultimate wealth, for fueling your drive to become your best self. Want a career earning up to 6 figures a year? Check out Nice HVAC and see how their training can give you the tools for success in the field of HVAC. Nice HVAC, providing alternative choices for the future.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Nice. So if you don't know by now, I'm Nice and I do HVAC. So pretty much, if you haven't seen my other videos, I recommend you watch my other videos because I dropped a couple clues on how this all happened. But pretty much, I'm going to show you how I went to school, networked with a friend at HVAC school, and how just a simple conversations about business allowed me to make this collab that I did. So pretty much the way the collab went, I had a friend in school. He already made music. He always used to play me his music. You know, I'm from Atlanta, so all my friends, all my peers make music, make beats in the entertainment business. So I'm just like, okay, it makes sense for me to just listen to his music because we networked and we had common things we had of interest. And one of the main things was HVAC. We both were in school to do HVAC. So pretty much after school, we both got our license, and he called me up. He said, hey man, I'm making music. I got somebody I want to walk you into. And I said, hey man, all you gotta do is open them doors, and once I get in, I'm gonna do me. I'm Nice HVAC, so that's what I'm on. So pretty much he collabed me with Big Rube. Big Rube, he was very professional, man. Shout out to Big Rube. He a legend in Atlanta. So we made that happen. Shout out to my man Chip Almighty. He made the connection. We got the perfect song. If you ain't heard it already, shoot, I'm gonna have that out there for y'all. We got different type of content, futuristic content. We gonna make it happen. I got some new songs on the way, some new videos, new HVAC programs. I got everything you need. This is what we doing. We taking over. HVAC open up doors. HVAC allows you to do anything you want to do. All you gotta do is put in that hard work. So HVAC pretty much is one of the main reasons that people took my business seriously. When you can show that you're about your work, show that you are dedicated to your craft, you can show that you are committed to what you're doing, that shows anybody in the world that you're serious. It doesn't matter if they're a celebrity, it doesn't matter if it's a teacher, a staff member, a manager, a CEO. If you can come in the room and show people you're about your business, you're legit, you stand on good morals, good values, then anybody will collab with you. I just happen to do HVAC, and I just happen to go in people's houses. I just happen to might go in your attic. I just happen to might do your HVAC system. It just happens that way. So whenever you have a chance to collab, or get in contact and open them doors and be around those people, or meet new people to get you around those places, hey, it's nothing wrong with reaching a hand out and helping out the next man, especially a fellow technician. So I'm giving a shout out, and I'm gonna end this with saying that even though you do HVAC, even though you're a skilled trades, even though you work on people's plumbing, even though you do people's lighting in their house, even though people don't respect your daily job, even though you get money, and people don't even know, and people out here not even knowing what the skilled trades are, it's okay, because I'm Nice HVAC, and I'm showing you that anything's possible. Stay tuned for my new music, new videos dropping. Shout out to YouTube, Nice HVAC. Let's get it.